Welcome to Center Circle. I am Jermaine Brown. This week we go for another iconic figure in local football, former national player Hugh Bingy Blair. The former midfielder speaks to us about proper training techniques and game management. Hugh Bingy Blair is one of the most celebrated footballers to come out of Jamaica, a legend of the Waterhouse Football Club. These days, Blair has been keeping a low profile, but that's because he spent his time doing one-on-one sessions. We caught up with him recently on one of his regular workout sessions at the Little Copa Beach in Bull Bay.
We're there, and the greatest thing, you know, my birthday gone on the 28th of the month, 59. They are strong same way, and I hold it and I hold the vibe same way, and the football energy is still in me, you know. I'm going to play it, but I'm still there, I do the work, you know. I pass on the knowledge to youth them who I see they really want the knowledge, you know. And I do the thing them, you know, and try to elevate the youth them out of the slum. Because a slum them put you in a bar line. If you don't try to get out of that slum there, within you, you're not a problem.
Blair says it's a great joy working with youths.
We never get them thing. We never have no one-on-one coach, and you know, we show you certain things, show you certain fitness, and show you certain way for dealing with football. Go to bed early, eat right and eat properly, and all of these things, and rise up, go to bed, you know, bleach it out, you know, party it out, you know. You see me, them things come off on our own instinct and knowledge, you know, by watching other players, how them play, and get a look of view from Pele and them man there. Them time there one time a week, Sunday. So me gain them knowledge from Pele. You know, how I'm train, how I'm exercise him thing, you know. Him train hard, you know, and him try to be a perfect, him try to do the thing perfect, professionally. Well, in them time, they still we never have a nice feeling, you know. It was a bumpy roll thing, and stone the gut and all them thing there, you know. It wasn't a feel where you can put down the ball and bounce it and them thing there, you know. So when the ball come to you, it's like, you know, it bring out certain things out of you. Well, if it bomb, you have to either control it so, and you have to try to fix yourself to get this ball here. See, now you them get it, them get it on an international level, which is, you know, passing drill, and they feel them kind of nicer, you know, training even time and man time, where, you know, passing when them can learn to pass the ball properly.
But while certain aspects of football has improved locally, Blair says something has gone missing.
I use them a rise up in the farm. That's if you can say, boy, you ride a bicycle from your yard, and say, boy, you come watch a youth. You see me? That spirit there, none of the youth them. Not seeing the youth rise up now. So I don't even know what I go on. If I the training, or we change with training style, or whatever, or you know, it get too technical. So when you get technical, it's like you lose that look of skill there and that thing there about you. Pass the ball. You know, say take him on. Cause me a one-on-one, me can't pass, me have to deal them case. Cause sometimes the game I play, bam, 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 and you reach that position where you have to do it. You have to take on the man. You have to show your talent, you have to show your skill. That you know, you lift the crowd. Cause when you get the crowd on your side, you know, that spirituality, you know, it give you a cold bump, it give you that spirit the way it make you do things. People say, and where you get that one from? But it's in you. So, you know, we need to get back that spirituality in the ball. Diego Maradona, we punch him in and say him train, and the Forest him train. 2-3 coach him have. I'm alone. And a nice boy training. A stump and them thing them jump over a stump. You know, 3 stump? Jump over 3 stump and them thing there. When them jump over the street about 4 or 5 street stump, I'm gonna throw a ball in them chest. You have to go up in the air and take it down. I have to do a lot of juggling. No, it's Maradona in time match a player. The first thing when him walk out, you know him do? When time reach the middle of the field, him go to the ball and grab it. So him grab it, and when him go up on the field, boom, boom, juggle it till what? The whistle goes up. Boop. So you know what him do? What him do? Get the feelings of the ball. So when you see him now have this ball every minute and him think that him don't do that from early. Detect the ball to him. Because the ball is a spiritual thing and a normal thing. It's not a normal thing, what I tell you. No youth love the ball and can't play it. No youth love the ball, born with it too. But he might come watch me and play a car and him love it. But him say a man where love the ball and love how I do it. I do some things where, you know, it elevate the people, them spirit, you know. Where how I control it, how I take it, how I kick it, how I pass it. Good ball, Bingy Blair. People calling him because they do some things where them not say. Ball in the ear, I'm take it down in front of about 4 or 5 man. And they must say, no sir, how you do it and still pass it out of them. Them thing the inner you, so you have to exercise it. Eye them now. Your eye is a contact. It's a contact with the ball. So when the ball come to your call feet or you're going to the position, you have to make them look a glance at, them look at, them look at over your shoulder. That means say you know say boy you can't take it or you pass it. Your eye them are the toughest thing. Use up the eye them. Don't when you train, don't hold on your head. When you train, hold up your head. When you train, learn to use up your head. You see them exercise there? Them one there? When you see the coach they said, do them thing there, after the flexible of your eye there. When you know say boy, yo, me see that pass a long time. Some people say, Bingy, how you see that pass there? Long time I glance over my shoulder, my eye. You see my eyelid them, or they move, glance long time. And man I say, Bingy, how you do it? Me see that pass a long time. I'm a call feed, when I call feed, I don't say blues a run. Don't say die job a run. Through there and die job picked up and swing it back inside and me I run, come back inside and then I play it back to me. Boom! So it's a magic with the spirituality.
When we return, Blair speaks more about how he managed to stay fit in order to remain atop his game.